everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a little program that will search for a word inside a text file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a desktop path. This is the desktop path, which is going to go to my desktop on Windows. Okay, this is my desktop on Windows. Your desktop path is going to be different from this. So you use chdir, change directory. So we want to change into this directory. This directory path here. So we're going to change into that. Just going to, okay. Let's create, let's say a little subroutine. Nope, we're not in Python. A subroutine here called search file. And we're going to create a scalar variable called my file name. I'm going to assign it to prompts, which will get the user input, and then we'll tell the user what to do. File name. The user can type in a file name there. Right, the next scalar variable is going to be, I'm just going to call this word search. This is the word that we're searching for inside the txt file, which I've already created on my desktop. So enter word. Okay, so now we're going to read the file. So we create a scalar variable. This is going to be called file content. I'm going to assign it to file name. I'm going to do .io input output .slurp to read it. Okay, so this will read the contents of the file. Then we're going to do a conditional. So if scalar file content dot contains scalar word search, we're going to do something. So if it contains the entry that we've typed in up there, the word that we're searching for, we're going to tell the user that. So we do that by using say to print. It's going to be here word search. In fact, I'm not going to interpolate that. I'm just going to simply say found. And we're going to put in an else here, a catch-all statement. If that is not the case, then we're simply going to tell the user that's not the case by printing out another message. Say word not found. Okay. Right, all we have to do now is call the program. The program is called search file. Let me just neaten that up a little bit. So it's going to be search file Okay, and the particular file that I'm talking about on the desktop is this one called test, and I'm going to search for found me. Right, so what I'm going to do I'm just going to go into here, make this a little bit bigger. Where's that gone? Make it a little bit bigger. Wait. It's more like it. So that's going to be Raku. That's going to be test.raku. Hit enter. Okay, the file name, I think it's called test.txt. Okay, enter the word. It's going to be found me. Word found. Okay, let's run test.raku. Okay, the file name is test.txt. Okay, enter a word. Let's enter a word that's not in there. Cars. There you go. Word not found. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.